In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning some extra money by doing nothing, just staying at home, laying in the bed, and using your phone like you do every day. Okay, so make sure to watch the whole video because I'm going to show you 3 legit website that you can rely on to make some extra money. This is not gonna going to get you to make you rich because this is not possible because you're not doing anything. So you don't have to expect to get rich by doing this, but you can expect to get some extra money doing this. Anyway, you're not doing anything, so you won't lose anything if you use those applications, okay? So make sure to watch the whole video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I told you already what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how you can start earning some extra money by doing nothing, just using some applications and leave them to operate in the background of your mobile phone. Okay, so if you're looking for some ways to make some extra money, you want to have another way to get money, you don't want to work from 9 to 5, you want to skip that job, you want to have more freedom, do whatever you want whenever you want, just subscribe to this channel guys, because I'm going to show you a lot of ways how to do this. Okay, subscribe right now. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make money by selling your mobile data. And by mobile data I don't mean your cellular data, I mean your personal data. And I'm going to show you how you can do this, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so by data collection, I mean that there are a lot of companies out there that are willing to buy your data. Okay, and by data I don't mean your images, your videos, and something like that. So data collection guys plays very important role in the industry. Okay, so in the role of buying process, and also it also helps manufacturers to make improvements for their lineup products. Okay, their ads lineups and other things. So now you can get paid by just use your phone. For example, just register for your mobile device and agree to have your messages, browsing activity, camera, and video streaming tracked. It's worth noting that tracking is not the exact same thing as recording. Okay, so the applications that you are going to play in the background of your mobile phone are not going to record your voice messages, your calls. They are not going to record your videos. They're not going to get your images or something like that. Those are personal informations, and those companies are not interested in that. Okay, they are just interested in getting the information, getting the data, the cookies, the informations from the websites you visit, from the application you use, how you use your phone. Okay, it's something like that. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 applications that you can use. Okay, so the first one guys is Mobile Expression Panel. This is Mobile Expression Panel. Well, for me my mobile is not compatible with this device, but if your mobile is compatible with this application, or your device is compatible with this application, you can use it and benefit from it. So the goal of Mobile Expression guys is to develop better understanding of the trends and patterns affecting the mobile internet, just like a television. Okay, just as the television uses rating to determine which programs are the highest rate and most watched, Mobile Expression uses the same idea. Okay, to the same knowledge of its members mobile internet habits to determine the popularity and also the importance of various websites and applications. Companies can then use this market research to improve their decisions, okay, regarding their mobile marketing strategies. And this is why, like, this application will pay you, okay, because there are a lot of industries out there that they are willing to pay this company to collect some information, to collect this data. Okay, and this company will pay you to do this. So you must know that in order to be eligible to do this, you must be at least 18 years old and capable of entering into a binding agreement. You must also own or control a mobile phone or device that is compatible with the mobile expression software, and you must be able to access the internet, otherwise this application will not work. Okay, so this is the first one in our list. The second one in our list is Screenwise Meter. So Screenwise Meter is the exact same thing like mobile expression. Okay, it's the same thing, the same process, the same everything, except that with Screenwise Meter mobile app, it used to manage registered panelists and market research panels like many other companies. Okay, Google brings together market research panels to help learn more about things like technology usage, how people are consuming data, and how they use Google products. Well, this is part of Google's panel research program, and this company is willing to pay around $100 a year if you just let it to operate in the background of your mobile phone. Okay, so this is a good idea, guys. You're not doing anything, so if you're not doing anything, just download this application and let it operate in the background of your phone. This is not going to get you rich. You're not going to have a job from this. It's not possible. You won't live with $100 a year. Wherever you live, it's not possible. Okay, and the third one in our list is Nielsen mobile application. Well, this application is a global measurements and data analytics company that provides complete and trusted view available of consumers and market worldwide. This company is also have good ratings, guys. You can take a look at the ratings here. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Okay, so it depends. It just depends. But for me, I will go with Screenwise mobile expression, and especially Screenwise. This is a Google company and it has some good reviews. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. If you are interested in making some extra money from this, then go download those applications and let them to operate in the background of your mobile and get some extra money. Maybe after a year from now you can buy something interesting, something that you wanted to buy but you didn't have money to do it. Okay, so it's a good way to make money while doing nothing, isn't it? So this is all for this video, guys. If you love this video, just make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so you'll always stay informed whenever I put a new video. Okay, well, take care.